Hello everybody, let's start today's class. Today I will explain you areas related to circles of class 10 exercise 12.3 part 2. In part 2 I will explain you from question number 6. The question 6 is in a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. So okay, this is a circular table cover of radius 32 centimeter. A design is formed leaving an equilateral triangle ABC in the middle. So okay, as shown in the figure, find the area of the design. So okay, leaving the equilateral triangle in the middle, there is a design. So it is, as it is a equilateral triangle, so these all the segments are equal in area. So okay, so angle OBC and OAB and OAC, all three. So okay, all three angles are, so okay, all these three angles at the center. So okay, it is 360 upon 3, that means is equal to 120 degree. Okay, now as per this is 120 degree, each segment, this one. So okay, we have to find out. So area of segment 3 into pi theta upon 360. There are three segments, is because of that 3 into pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2 into cos theta upon 2 into r square. When the angle at the center, so okay, angle for the segment is more than 90 degree. So okay, there you have to apply this formula. The formula is, again I am repeating, pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2 cos theta upon 2 into r square. Okay, now 3 into, it is its value 22 upon 7, it is 1, theta is 120 degree upon 360 degree minus sin 120 upon 2 and cos 120 degree upon 2 into radius is 32 square. Okay, that this calculation you say it is 1 upon 3. So 22 upon 7 into 1 upon 3. Sin 60 degree and cos 60 degree. Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 upon 2 and cos 60 degree is 1 upon 2. And it is 32 up into 32. Now by calculation it is coming 3 cancel, 22 upon 7 minus, here you see it is 3 upon 4 root 3. Okay, and 32 into 32. After that the calculation is very easy. You multiply 32 into 32 with 22 upon 7 and 3 root 3 into 4 into this. Okay, in two parts we divide it in. Now it is coming this minus this and its value. So okay, so by multiplying this one it is 768 and it is 22528 upon 7. Now it is coming, by calculation it is coming 1889.65 centimeter square. Okay, in figure ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter. ABCD is a square of side 14 centimeter with center A, B, C and D. Center is A, B, C and D. 4 circles are drawn. So okay, such that each circle touch externally 2 of the remaining 3 circles. So okay, means this circle is touching with these 2 circles. Okay, find the area of the shaded region. This is shaded region. Okay, so area of shaded region, it is the 4 quadrant. So okay, and it is the square. So area of square minus 4 into area of quadrant. So it is area of square is AB square or BC square, any side square, minus 4 into 1/4 pi r square. So by applying, the radius is 7, it is length is 14, so its half, it is 7 centimeter is the radius of this circle. So 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7, it is coming 196. 14 square is 196 minus, it is 154.42 centimeter square. Okay, In figure depicts a racing track whose left and right ends are semicircular. Distance between the two inner parallel line segments is 60 meter and they are each 106 meter long. If the track is 10 meter wide, find the distance around the track along its inner edge, and second is the area of the track. Now listen here. Two ends are the semicircular. So okay, this one and this one. And in the middle, this length is 106 meter. This is 106 meter. Width of the track is 10 meter. And here this inner radius is 30 because has given this length is 60. So okay, its half is 30. This one is a 30. Inner length this much is 60. So it is 30. And it is as it is width is 10. So 30 plus 10 is total 40. Means R1 is 30 and R2 is 40 as a radius. Distance around the inner track, it is inner track this much area in length. So 2 into 106. 106, 2 into 106 plus semicircle. This is perimeter of the semicircle or circa half of the circumference. Okay, perimeter of the two semicircles of radius 30 centimeter. So 2 into 106 plus 2 pi r. R is 30. By calculation you can get it. It is 2804 upon 7 centimeter square. Okay. Now second part is the area of the track. So okay. Now it is the first rectangular area, second rectangular area, this one the third part, and it is the fourth part. One by one we have to find out these four parts. So area of track is equal to area of first, second, third, fourth. So okay, area of first part 2 into first part because first part and second part same. 2 into first part, and similarly third and fourth is same. So 2 into third part. 2 into first part is length into breadth 106. See the figure, it is the rectangle. This width is 10 and length is 106. So length into breadth 106 into 10, and it is 2 into half pi r2 square minus r1 square. Okay, so it is, if you multiply this, it is 2120 plus 22 upon 7 into 40 square minus 30 square. Okay, 40 square minus 30 square, it is 2120 plus, it is a plus b, a minus b, 70 into 10, you can cancel, it is 10. So 2200. So okay, so this is total 4320 meters square. Okay, next question is, in figure AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O. Okay, perpendicular to each other. Two diameter AB and CD. So okay, perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. OD is the diameter of the smaller circle. OA is equal to OD is equal to OC, and OB is equal to, because they are the perpendicular bisector, so OA is equal to 7 centimeter. That means we can write OD is equal to also 7 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Okay, 2 and 3 are the segment of this quadrant. Okay, and this is the circle. So area of the shaded region is area of the smaller circle, this one, plus 2 into area of quadrant. Okay, part 2 and part 3, this area of the segment of this quadrant. Okay, area of the segment is equal into 2. pi r square, area of the circle r is 7 upon 2, and it is 2 into pi theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2 r square is the area of segment. So by calculation it is coming 77 upon 2, and this one is 2 into 22 upon 7, and it is 1/4. It's okay, 1/4 minus 1 upon 2, sin 90 degree is 1 upon 2 into r square. This is coming as this one, by calculation it is 11 upon 7. It's okay, by 2 it is 2. It's okay, by 2 it will cancel. So it is 11 upon 7 into 49. This one 49 minus, if you cancel it, it's 1 into 49. Okay. Now by calculation it is coming as 77 upon 2 plus 28 is equal to 66.5 centimeter square. Okay. In next video I will explain you the next part. Okay. Thank you very much.